Welcome back. Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin joins us once again. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And we're going to start off with cheese.
Cheese, of course.
Of course.
We have a great recipe to support our Wisconsin dairy farmers in the new year. 2 local ingredients. They are the LaBelle cheese stuffed mushrooms. Absolutely delicious. I know you're going to love them.
They smell great.
So I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're going to put in them first. So we're going to start with 2 dozen large round mushrooms. Cook those on the in the oven without the stems for 8 minutes. And then you're going to make the filling. So the filling has 1 cup of the panko crust, and then you're also going to have some fresh garlic, some fresh shallots, some parsley, and of course the star ingredients, which is the 1 1/2 cups of the shredded LaBelle cheese, and then also some of the cubed Royal Guernsey butter that you're going to cook the shallots and the garlic in. So basically all of these ingredients go together to make the stuffing that go inside of the mushrooms. So you can probably smell the garlic and the shallots.
Yeah, it smells great. Let's talk about the products that are going into it.
So this is why I chose this recipe, because these products are so special. This is the LaBelle cheese. It's made in Economowalk, and LaBelle is actually a Wisconsin original, and LaBelle in French means beautiful cheese. So it's made by the Kepke Farms, and we have lots of different varieties. It's made by a Wisconsin master cheesemaker. The Kepke Farms is actually a 5th generation dairy farm, so you know that high quality milk is used to make these cheeses. So here we have a bacon hickory smoked LaBelle, then there is a cracked black pepper, and then also a fenugreek LaBelle, which is almost like a sweet maple syrup flavor. So I can't wait for you to try all of these. See this? So these are some fun varieties from a local artisan cheesemaker.
And I've never heard of this butter before.
And that's a local product as well. It's actually in Columbus, Wisconsin, so not far from here. 2 sisters, Jen and Julie, own the Royal Guernsey Creamery, and the milk also comes fresh from their dairy farm, which is a 7th generation Guernsey farm. So it's fresh, it's local. All of these things are ways you can support our dairy farmers in the new year.
And Guernsey milk is a little more fat?
Yeah, it makes for that great full cream butter as well. So for both the cheese, the LaBelle, you can look for that Proudly Wisconsin seal, and on the butter as well, you know it is the Proudly Wisconsin dairy. So you can find them in local grocery stores as well, right in the Madison area.
And this is the final product?
Yeah, this is the final product. I can't wait for you to try it. It is the LaBelle cheese stuffed mushrooms. So great for maybe a Packer party or New Year's party.
Or any
kind, yeah.
Go to the website?
Yeah, wisconsincheese.com.
Wisconsincheese.com. Ange,
thank you.
Good to see you. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.